Hello everyone, so I'll be showing you how to do HLOOKUP in Microsoft Excel. Just like the VLOOKUP, the HLOOKUP also functions in a similar way, just that informations are arranged in rows. So for example, this is the general table of a grading system. You have your score and you have your grade all arranged in rows, right? The headings are in rows. So that's the difference between the VLOOKUP and the HLOOKUP. So we want to know what this particular student got as a grade, right? She scored 75, but we want to know her grade, right? So the first thing we do is we write our equal sign whenever you're writing a function, equal to then HLOOKUP. Yeah. So this is the value we want to look up. So we select it, write a comma, then the table array. This is the general table we are picking the information from, and we highlight everything. So after you highlight everything, first of all, you need to know that you need to lock up your functions. Yes, it's very, very important you lock your functions up. So what do you do to lock your functions up? You press F4 on your keyboard. It's going to lock it. You can see that it has added this dollar signs to the range. So you have a comma. Then it's going to ask for the row number. Now, what's the row we want to return? We want to return the grade. And from this table, this parent table here, what's our row number? Our row number is 2 because this is row 1, score is row 1, and the grade is row 2, right? So we just write 2 and we have a comma. And it's going to ask us for our match, whether it's a true an approximate match or an exact match. In this case, we don't go for exact match. Do you know why? Because if you look at this grading system carefully, you'll see that we have 75, 90, 48 down to 55, and none of them is here. So if we go for approximate match, it's going to look for the range and give us the grade. But if we go for exact match, it's going to return error to us. It's going to return an error for us here because it cannot find the exact match. So we are going for the approximate match and we will be typing true. Yes. So after you type true, you close the bracket and you hit enter. Now you can see that Amina, based on this grading system, Amina got B, right? Yes, because from 70 down to maybe 79 is B, right? Then from 80 upward is A. You get it? So what you just do is you just click, drag, and drop, and everything will be filled. So we want to check something. We want to confirm whether this thing actually works. So we know that from 80 upward is A. So this 55, let's try changing it to 85, or let's change it to 95, and let's see whether this particular D, this particular grade is going to change to A. So once we're done with that, we hit enter. Can you see it has changed? So whenever someone updates his score, or maybe you want to update the grade of a particular student, maybe you change this, it's going to fall under that particular category. So this is how HLOOKUPs work. Thank you.